Namaskar, good morning all. Under the best guidance of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, and the great leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, Bihar has shown tremendous growth across all areas of developments. In fact, Bihar is ranked among the top performing state in terms of GDP growth rates. Bihar has witnessed multidimensional growth across all fronts of the area. However, if we talk about technology, which is the most dynamic and ever evolving sector in the world arena, Bihar has shown great resilience against COVID-19 by adopting modern day technology and state-of-the-art infrastructure to enhance its ability to combat the deadly virus and sustain the social economic growth rates of the state in these difficult times. The COVID-19 pandemic has been worst time in many decades, but undoubtedly one silver lining is that the COVID crisis pushed companies and government over the technology tipping point and transform business forever. It has brought about 5 years change in digitalization in a little more than 1 year time. During the pandemic, digital adoption has taken a quantum leap at the all level, be it personal, organizational, or at the industry level. Since the COVID-19 pandemic broke out earlier this year, much of the world moved online, a digital transformation that has been underway for decades. Children has at home, internet access began attending class remotely. Many employees started working from home and numbers of firms adopted digital business models to maintain operations and preserve some revenue flows. We are facing a future where jobs, education, health, government service, and even social interaction may be more dependent on digital technology than ever before. Now, more than ever, we need to ensure trustworthy digital access and reduce risk associated with it. We also need to focus on IEC and digital literacy so that the vast population of our state may not be left behind. Also, we need to work on cybersecurity related risks. In these circumstances, the state of Bihar used a variety of techniques to combat this towards coronavirus, which has spreadingly at rapid pace. The Bihar government is committed to its goal, creating more job opportunity for youth, empowering Bihar socioeconomic rates. Bihar government has utilized technology to the fullest to mitigate the pandemic challenge, the support all sections of the society in most difficult time. Initiatives of the state are follows. Number one, GOR app. Bihar government launched GOR app for tracking the surveillance of the migrants and those who have come to the state through rail, roads, and flights from across the country and abroad. The app has helped in tracking more than 2 lakh international and domestic travelers in Bihar and also helped to mapping their skills. The app has been developed by Bihar Disaster Management Departments. Second, Bihar Corona Sahayata app. Bihar state government has launched the Bihar Corona Sahayata app to combat COVID-19. The Bihar government provided Corona Sahayata of Rs 1,000 to each worker who entered Bihar from other states or was stranded outside Bihar under the Bihar Apada Prabandhan. The application was chosen as a winner in the pandemic category Digital India Award 2020 instituted by the central government. Home isolation tracking. Fit COVID app has helped the health workers in regular monitoring of the home isolation patients. The health worker visits the patient's home every day and feeds the temperature and oxygen data in the app through mobile/tablets. These data sets are monitored at the district level, and if the oxygen level goes below a certain point, then the patient gets shifted to a nearby healthcare center. This has helped to government in outreaching to a large number of home isolated patients and saved precious lives. The app was developed by BSEDC under the guidance of the Health Department and IT Department. E-Lavarthi. The E-Lavarthi system has been received a major transformation in electric service delivery and financial inclusion, which bypass the pain points of the existing service delivery mechanism. Funds can be transferred by the bank directly to the bank accounts of identified beneficiary, DBT of all scheme of the education departments, including the Chief Minister's bicycles, dress, scholarship, meritocracy, incentive among Chief Minister's Kishori Swasthya Yojana will go directly to the students. More than 60 lakhs beneficiaries under various schemes have benefited from the scheme in a year. EPDS electronic public distribution system. In the COVID-19 pandemic, the state government has provided free ration to around the state governments contributed monitoring other assistance including free ration to 1.64 crore ration card holders and cash Rs 1,000 in the accounts. Skilling in IT sector, the Department of Information Technology, Government of Bihar is providing technical skill training to the youth of Bihar for 9 different courses and through 117 skill development centers under the IT's domain set across the states. The technology skilled workforce of Bihar will be an asset of the investors and entrepreneurs. Healthcare initiatives. Healthcare sector's initiatives taken during COVID to make it robust during the pandemic times. E-Sanjeevani. Through the E-Sanjeevani, patients living in the remote village would be provided medical advice through video conference like to primary health center and district level Sadar Hospital. Wonder app. It would help in providing better Medicare to pregnant women. Referral transport tracking system. People would be get a better and timely ambulance system. Ashwin portal. This portal ensures that ASHA workers who are the backbone of village healthcare get their incentives on time. VC application online meeting. Online meeting have become the norms of the day, and the same has been ensured through obtaining Microsoft Teams meeting licenses. BSEDC has provided Microsoft Teams licenses for online meetings to various departments. This has helped to department in functioning during the lockdown. College Wi-Fi. Bihar government has been providing Wi-Fi and college campus so that students can download books and study materials from external sources. IT department is planning for innovative use of technology such as artificial intelligence, IoT, blockchain, big data, etc. in service delivery. Some IT department initiatives that are being taken a plan to transform the way government functions in the new norms induced by the pandemic area, blockchain-based land ledger, GIS, use of AI, and IoT in agriculture, use of AI, and big data in security and surveillances, CFMS, e-office, e-vidhan, security operation center, Bihar State Data Center 2, Smart Village, etc. Some of the key initiatives that have already been taken to keep afloat the government system, even a pandemic, are as follows. E-office. The e-office has gained traction with the many departments migrating to the e-office system in Bihar. Department of the Information Technology, Government of Bihar, and its PSU, Bihar State Electronic Development Corporation, have made a remarkable progress in the field of future ready and fast-paced e-governments by implementing e-office and switching over its office working fully to digital platform. The faceless and contactless digital platform has resulted in increased efficiency, transparency, and reduced turnaround time by replacing the old manual process with an electronic file system that allows the modern outlook. It evident that e-office has helped in checking the adverse impact of the current pandemic on government's functioning. The state government is proactively maximizing the reach of e-office to all the government offices across the Bihar. The vision of e-office is to achieve a simplified, responsive, effective, and transparent working of all government offices. E-Vidhan application, a live demonstration of the national E-Vidhan application, which will enable paperless proceedings at Vidhan Parishad was held in Patna on 3rd June 2021. Key highlights of the application are NEVA is a digital legislator infrastructure aimed at digitizing all the legislator in the country under the One Nation, One application. The application will strengthen the management of legislators' data on the single platform, empowering society and knowledge economy. CFMS. The CFMS Bihar portal has been developed by employees to help them track their salaries. The CFMS Bihar portal is an online platform used for the management and disbursement of salary disbursed by the government of Bihar. Bihar State Data Center, BSDC2, the Disaster Recovery Center, infrastructure of augmentation is the key focus area of the Department of Information Technology, Government of Bihar. Bihar State Data Center, BSDC2, is equipped with high efficiency data storage with multiple layers of data security and with the proof to the milestone of Bihar e-governance initiatives. Bihar Aadhaar Authentication Framework, BAF. BAF is an umbrella framework that enables all Aadhaar-based transactions in the state and help in authentication and identification of beneficiary electronically in a safe and quick manner, making service delivery more efficient. It also helped in the removal of host beneficiary and helped to reduce leakage. Bihar State Wide Area Network, Biswan. Biswan provides connectivity to all departments and government offices situated at district and block level for inter-department secured communications and help to accelerate and growth of IT in government offices. E-procurement to delivering service to the state machinery by the providing seamless procurement related service virtually. It was pilot tested in June 2020 and went live in August last year, which was in the middle of the pandemic. Now CDAC. CDAC Patna has initiated work, research and development in field of artificial intelligence, data services, cyber security, cyber forensics, and Internet of Things as a part of initial planning IoT. It has since been expanded to include blockchain development, quantum computing, and cyber physical system. The center intends to focus on the trust area of ITC for agriculture, health, education, language computing, e-governance, heritage, and a smart city technology. CDAC Patna intends to develop core competencies in the aforementioned domains and trust area through knowledge sharing from 11 independent CDAC lab with over 3 decades of experience. It will continue to strengthen the work in emerging region by the carrying out projects, cultivating collaborations, providing mentoring, and cutting-edge training. It will also add in the development of capacity in emerging technology, innovation, incubation, and entrepreneurship. The high performance computing, artificial intelligence supercomputer has been set up at the CDAC Patna Center to lead in artificial intelligence domain and harvest the capabilities and opportunities that AI can provide. Along with a resource, a collaborative and integrated platform with the goal of establishing a unified AI framework is processed. This is the first AI center infrastructure of its kind in the eastern region, which includes Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and West Bengal. It will meet the need of premier R&D institutions, startups, entrepreneurs, and academia for AI infrastructure. This infrastructure will be critical in encouraging research organizations, entrepreneurs, and startups and multinational corporations to invest in the IT industry and establish the eastern region as a new IT hub. This infrastructure will also aid in the development of a skilled labor for current and future technology needs. It is a moment of pride for Bihar that CDAC has not only established the Advanced Computing Training School in Patna, that Patna is now correct. The Patna is now the country's 6th placement zone for CDAC, catering to the placement of the candidates from northern region. This will create lots of job opportunity for the youth in the region, which is main goal right now. Plan which can propel the overall growth and empower us with technological weapon against COVID-19, elevate the impact of COVID-19 on the economy now, the boost growth later. The first, through digital platform, authorities can provide official, trustworthy, and timely information and advise COVID-19. Of the 193 United Nations member states, 167 countries provided information on their national portals, mobile app, or through social media platform that cover outbreak statistics, travel restrictions, practical guidance on the protection and governmental responses. Reliable information from the government helps people make informed decisions about their daily routines and build public trust. In the United Kingdom, the government launched a automated chatbot service on WhatsApp that allowed the public to get answer to the most common questions about COVID-19 directly from the government. We are planning to launch dedicated and automated chatbot for Bihar on similar lines. This will help our citizens get necessary info directly from the government without any misleading information and data discrepancy. Second, online platform connect millions of students and workers to their schools and offices from home during the closures to contain the spread of the COVID-19 in China, Colombia, Italy, Jordan, South Korea, Spain, and the United States educators embraced online learning and help lives streaming classes through digital platforms such as Alibaba's DingTalk, Google Hangout, Colibri, and Microsoft Teams. Around the globe, businesses are bringing their teams together face to face with video conferencing and screen sharing on electronic devices through digital platform. Augmentation of the existing technology infrastructure like Bihar Cloud, Seklan, Vishwan, public Wi-Fi, fiber optics connectivity, BSDC2, etc. will lead us to prosperous future and possessions to efficient combat technology against the pandemic. Third, digital data and artificial intelligence can help diagnose the monitor infections virus in South Korea, and artificial intelligence firm released free COVID analysis software for the early diagnosis and assessment of the virus symptoms. The software can detect, segment, and produce 3D models of lungs damage caused by COVID-19 based on analysis of CT images. The country also used contact tracking in the combating the coronavirus outbreak through mobile technologies such as GPS, cell phone, masks, and AI-powered big data analysts to help the government understand manage the spread of COVID-19 within their communities. On similar lines, integration of AI in the Hit COVID app can help us recognize the war against COVID. Also, we will be able to cope up with the initiable third wave, which is knocking at the door. Now that Bihar as a state is ready with adequate infrastructure and technological advancement, the Department of Information Technology, Government of Bihar, is fostering a startup culture by the providing allotment of the rent-free space for startups operational in the field of IT's software technology park, ESDM, along with firms involved in the research and development, IT's products and services to attract investment in the state. Bihar Invest IT Bihar campaign aim to encourage investors and entrepreneurs to invest in the Bihar IT sector and to make this state preferred investment destination in eastern region. Bihar is on the way to becoming next IT hub in the country with infrastructure development going at the fast pace and offering ITs and electronic companies a great platform. I would like to thank the organizing body for having me on the show and would like to extend my warm welcome to all the esteemed keynote speakers and viewers. With the technology and human efforts, we can also achieve the unachievable. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.